general, to get ready for the summer season, there's a few things that you can do to help prepare your system and have it ready so that you don't have those failures when you need it. So some of the things you can do yourself is you can clean the coil yourself with just a hose on low power. You don't want to hit it with a high pressure nozzle so you don't damage the fins on the coil, and just rinse all the dirt off as much as possible. If there's a lot of dirt that's caked on there that you can't get off, then we recommend calling a professional to come in, and we have cleaners that will break that up and clean that off for you. You want to wash it from the outside where the coil is, and then we'll take the top off and just rinse it out from the inside as well. You can just spray water in there if you'd like. I mean, they are outdoor units, they get rained on all the time. It's not going to hurt anything. Before working on the AC units, we recommend that you disconnect the power to it just to prevent any problems from arising there. And the disconnects are found next to the units somewhere close by. Usually there'll be a disconnect box, or some houses have them on electrical panels on the wall nearby somewhere. We would recommend that people cover their AC units. If you're running a heat pump, you don't want to cover it because obviously the heat pump is providing heat to your home the same way the AC does. But regular AC units we recommend covering just to keep any dust and debris and leaves and things out of them. Those leaves, if they collect on the bottom long enough, will corrode the pipes and the refrigeration pipes inside. If you have any questions about your systems or haven't had them inspected in a long time, please give us a call and we can come out and help make sure that your system is operating fully for you when the hot season hits.